This is not the Nana that we used to know. So you can see we're having grade A office buildings in here. And let me show you a bit more inside of the Onnes Tower. Good morning. I'm here in Sukhumvit 11, and last month I gave you an update about how 11 changed. And today I want to give another change update. And it's not about this restaurant, which is actually brand new, but I want to show you the update of the Nana BTS area. So here to the right you have the JLK Tower, then in the middle the Onnes Tower and the Q1 Sukhumvit. The whole area completely changed. The Onnes now has a sky bridge connecting. So let's go to the station. And if you know this area, you know that this used to be a lot of street stalls. Actually in the night they are still here. But this is opening up now, and this is the new office building. And as you can see, there's gonna be a sky bridge that connects directly with the Nana BTS station. And they already put the sign of the tower in here. Sawadee Krap. So this is 31 floors high, 31,000 square meters, connecting directly with the Nana BTS station. So let's go into the station, and then I will show you the sky bridge that is connecting with the Onnes Tower. This is the entrance of Sukhumvit 7. And what I said, if you haven't been to Bangkok for a while, you will not recognize this area anymore. They're still finishing up the construction here. There you can see the sky bridge that just opened last week. Not sure how long this takes. You can see everybody's still working on it. Okay, let's go to the Onnes Tower. So if you come from the Nana BTS station, you can walk directly into the building now. And what is nice about the Onnes Tower is that it already has a food court, and I will show you in a bit. So if you're looking for cheap food at Nana, you can actually go to the Onnes Tower. They created a kind of park space in front of the office. A little bit later I will show you how it looks downstairs. And there in the back you have the Q1 Sukhumvit. This is not the Nana that we used to know. So you can see we're having grade A office buildings in here. And let me show you a bit more inside of the Onnes Tower. There's gonna be retail over here, but that's not ready yet. There's also a nice rooftop garden. So welcome to the Onnes Tower. Nice and spacious open lobby in here. Yeah, it's amazing to see how Bangkok is changing constantly. So here on this floor you have the food court. And this is already fully working, so the offices are open and there are not that many people that work in here. but the food court is open. You can use your rabbit card. So I would say if you want to try something new in Bangkok food-wise, you can come here. And there are not too many people yet because people are coming here during lunch. But you have favorable prices, 60 baht for a set. You know, these food courts, they are always created for the staff that works in the building, and they are always very cheap. So here we are at the back of the building. On the front side there are a few coffee shops. I did a live stream last Saturday and then I realized that this was open. So I thought it was time to come with an update. The main attraction is of course the direct connection with the BTS here. And down here you will have the retail area with shops. Here on the 6th floor you have the business center. There's a nice scale model here of the whole area. So we're at the middle one here. JLK Tower would be here. When we came here 13 years ago, this was just a construction site, or actually an empty plot. But about 3 or 4 years ago they started constructing and this area completely changed. So the Ones Tower is 161 meters high. It has 29 floors and that includes 85,000 square meter of office space. And as you can see, it's directly on the Nana BTS station, and you have the JLK Tower in the back there. Next to the Ones, you have the Q Sukhumvit, which is 174 meters high, so it's a bit taller. It has 40 floors, and this is all residential. But let's go and have a look here on the ground floor. No, they landscaped it pretty nice. Kind of a garden area. Yeah, Bangkok changes so much. I love it. So there you can go up, and that connects with the Sky Bridge. And as I showed you before, you have the food court, and something interesting is in the back here. You have a 7-Eleven, but this is not just any 7-Eleven. You know, the people that used to come to Thailand before or in Bangkok, you always hear the hello, welcome, and it haven't been, most 7-Elevens don't have it anymore, and I think this is the only one now that has it.
Hello, welcome.
Very nice, I love it. Okay, one more time, guys.
Hello, welcome.
You know, it's amazing what can make a grown man happy, right? yeah, this area is not recognizable anymore. And for example, the area there in front where you have the JLK Tower, there used to be street bars and old shops, and was actually kind of a sleazy area, to be really honest. And it's really changing. I know a lot of people won't like it, but I think it's just part of progress. And if a country like Thailand and Bangkok wants to grow, they have to grow with these kind of things as well. And I think the Thai people are happy with it, and that's the most important. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the JLK Tower, the new sky bridge here at the Onest Tower, and of course the 7-Eleven that says hello, welcome. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.